Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to find out second highest salary from an employee table. So I need to write a query to get the second highest salary. So let me show you. I have an employee table. You can see this is the table and this is the salary. So second highest will be this is 9,40,000. So I need to find out this Gopinath. So how to do that? So here I need to write a query, select ID, name, and I'm going to select salary. So I'm going to use the rank function here over order by salary. I'm going to use descending order. By default it is descending as rank number from employee. Okay, so I'm going to select ID, name, salary, and then I'm going to use the rank function over order by salary. I'm going to order list salary column, and then I'm going to save as rank number from employee table. Okay, you can see this table is ranked as 1 2 3 4. You can see 9 10 13. Okay, so I need to find this Gopi. So how to do that? So again I need to select a query, A.id, and then I need name, A.name, and I need A.salary from this table. Okay, so I have to write inner query also. So select ID, name, salary, and then rank function over order by salary, descending order, and then as rank number from employee, and here the bracket will be closed, A where rank number is equal to 2. Okay, I think this will be correct. Select A.id, A.name, A.salary from this inner query, and then I'm going to save this as rank, and I'm going to put the rank number here. So you can see the second highest salary is Gopinath. Okay, so if you need to find out the fifth highest salary, then you need to just put fifth. You can see this Ajita. Third highest, just replace 3. And if you need to find out the Rupa, second minimum, okay, third minimum. So how you will do that? You need to just modify this descending as ascending order, and you need to just replace this rank as 3. You can see Rupa. Okay, and second minimum, just you need to just replace this. So this is how you can find the second highest, third highest, fifth highest, and the minimum salary also you can find. You just need to change ascending and descending in the order by column. Okay, so guys, this query I will mention on the description box. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.